Proper lighting of the working environment in production and storage facilities is essential to productivity and worker safety. The quality of industry lighting units is critically affected by used components. The lighting source is crucial, as well as the method of heat removal and the power source. Let's look closer at these parts. It is necessary to use a higher number of LEDs to achieve the luminous flux values needed in industry. There are two ways to solve this nowadays. The first involves mounting many LEDs on a printed circuit board, PCB, where they are soldered. The second possibility is a so-called chip-on-board, which is an assembly of LEDs on a thermally conductive ceramic board connected by gold wires. Time to failure is at least one order higher for chip-on-board compared with PCB. Another important component of LED lighting units is a heat sink for heat removal. It is appropriate to use passive heat sinks with ribs, oriented in a way that dirt cannot settle on them in an industrial environment. The last important component is a power source, which has to ensure the supply of power to the LEDs over the entire range of working conditions, at different temperatures and during voltage and frequency fluctuations. The mean lifetime of power sources mainly depends on the type of filtration capacitors used. The company Osvětlení Černoch is currently the only one which uses power sources with rolled capacitors. Long-term results show that the reliability and mean lifetime of this solution are much better than those of electrolyte capacitors. The price is somewhat higher, but when we consider the costs of lighting unit replacement and repair, it is a better solution for the customer. The company Osvětlení Černoch offers a comprehensive range of lighting units for lighting large indoor spaces. The high bay modular lighting unit is intended mainly for lighting storage and production areas. It ensures quality lighting with good color rendition at low purchase and maintenance costs. It is ideal for places which are difficult to reach thanks to its minimal maintenance requirements. Efficient cooling and the general lighting unit construction ensures a light flux decrease to 90% of the initial value after 100,000 hours. The lighting unit is suitable for environments with both low and high temperatures, minus 30 to 60 degrees Celsius constant, without shortening its lifespan. The high bay 330 lighting unit is intended mainly for lighting production areas and for fine and precise work where a low unified glare rating is needed. It has the same properties as the high bay modular lighting unit concerning minimal maintenance demands, efficient cooling, and suitability for use in areas with low and high temperatures. To ensure highly efficient lighting, it is useful to use lighting units with optical systems which concentrate the light flux into a narrow ellipse for narrow corridors in warehouses. We offer the corridor lighting unit for this purpose, which can be, upon request, equipped with a dolly control protocol. It saves a significant amount of electrical energy when it is coupled with a motion detector. The corridor-wide lighting unit with a broad photometric curve is intended as a direct replacement for industrial fluorescent tube lighting units. The corridor 10 and 12 variants replace industrial fluorescent tube lighting units 1 by 56 watts or 2 by 36 watts. The corridor 24 replaces lighting units 2 by 56 watts with less than half the energy consumption. Production takes place in the Czech Republic using state-of-art components from world-class manufacturers, Cree, Linear Technology, Infineon. In addition to serially produced lighting units, we can also produce custom-made units tailored to your needs.